is good, where we tell you your future.
Pisces man and Aries woman compatibility. These sun signs are a combination of the water element and the fire element, which surely is an exciting amalgamation, making the Pisces man Aries woman compatibility a fascinating affair. The Pisces man is ruled by the planet of Neptune, also known as the god of the sea, which signifies dreams, illusions, motivation and psychic indulgence. He represents the water element, which makes him flickering, smooth and free-flowing. Whereas the Aries woman is ruled by the planet of Mars, also known as the god of war, which signifies enthusiasm, bravery and craving. She represents the fire element, which makes her aggressive, courageous and bold. Usually Pisces man nature is very sentimental, creative, kind-hearted and empathetic. On the other hand, the Aries woman is also emotional, passionate, determined and zealous. Though it may seem a bit difficult for these two signs to gel well, there is a possibility for them to be together and strengthen the Pisces man Aries woman compatibility. How compatibility is the relationship between the Pisces man and Aries woman? It is a beautiful and complementing combination of zodiac signs. The relationship of Aries woman and Pisces male is blessed with a romantic feel. They both form a hardcore romantic association in which Aries woman is an immature lover who is always loved and pampered by her Pisces lover who is mature. Pisces man always looks for complete surrender in a relationship. In love-related matters, he prefers keeping his ego aside. Conflicts and dominance are not in his personality. To him, love is the most important part of his life, for which he made all possible efforts. Aries woman is quite opposite of him. She is very aggressive, but she also puts in great efforts to make her relationship successful. Together they both create an everlasting bond of love. Marital life of Pisces man and Aries woman. Marital bond between a Pisces man and Aries woman is no doubt the most romantic and balanced association. Aries woman is a wonderful match for the Pisces man. She completely trusts her man and his dreams. She always motivates him to get his goals and fulfill his dreams. She respects him a lot and supports him like his companion for life. Pisces man is a wonderful husband who protects his lady from all problems and enemies. He makes her feel more secure. He is an affectionate partner who always keeps his ego aside and loves his lady without any terms and conditions. He knows how to pacify his aggressive Aries girl and relax her with his patient and calm behavior. She helps him become more practical in life and teaches him not to get carried away with his dreams. They both enjoy a beautiful married life with each other as they both respect and admire each other. They bring out the best in each other and make this relationship stronger and more beautiful. They can walk distances holding hands and enjoying the beauty of the silence. Pros of the Aries-Pisces relationship. Pisces is an intuitive sign that likes to expect the unexpected and revels in the unpredictability of every situation. Effectively, the immense spontaneity and risk-taking instinct of an Aries is received very well by the fish. The Piscean has a colossal understanding of the drive within the Aries and which extends to support and encouragement of the Aries ambition in most cases. On the other hand, the strength and mental resolve of the fire sign builds a dome of protection over the gentle Piscean head. The former, who is privy to the sensitive side of Pisces, tries to safeguard them from every emotional blow that might come their way. Aries and Pisces are neighboring signs on the zodiac and thus connect to each other on a visceral level, which helps them in steady flow of communication between the two parties. cons of the Aries Pisces relationship. The disparity in how both the signs feel and express their emotions might just be the biggest disadvantage of this particular relationship. While an Aries has strong, well defined, and generally rigid emotions, the fish likes to swim in different emotional waters at different times. Pisces cannot function on a stable emotional bandwidth, and their feelings for anything and everything tend to fluctuate from time to time. This creates friction between the Aries Pisces relationship and vice versa, and can lead to a growing sense of mistrust in the course of the relationship. In difficult times, a fiery outburst by the proud and guileless Aries will have a resounding feeling of hurt on the Pisces psyche. Meanwhile, a Pisces' constant emotional dependence might discourage the ram from drowning in a flood of tears and expectations. Types of dates for Aries and Pisces. A Pisces man enjoys simple pleasures and is not comfortable with large crowds, but he is always willing to go with the flow. An Aries woman is confident, carefree, wants to be where the action is, and she is always eager to try something new and fascinating. This means fun and fascinating excursions away from crowds and bright city lights would be the best dating activity for these two. Pisces man and Aries woman, the love affair. The characteristics of Pisces and Aries sun signs are almost opposite in nature. Where one is calm, composed and creative, the other one is fierce, super zesty and confrontational. This makes the Pisces man compatibility with the Aries woman a bit troublesome, though there are chances for them to connect and share a great experience together. The female Aries looks for people who are a bit commanding, who are sometimes authoritative, give orders when it's needed, and takes care of the relationship ahead. She also needs someone who is gentle, tender, and soft-spoken at times. A lot of care has to be taken when dealing with these two signs. A lot of care has to be taken while dealing with Aries female in relationships. She looks for a good blend of imperious, trustworthy and self-reliant individual who yet can provide her with tranquility, empathy and faithfulness. She admires if she finds someone who can make her feel more feminine, as she is ruled by the masculine aspect of this zodiac sign. The Aries woman wants her partner to be strong when time needs him to be, and as tender on other occasions, which maintains a balance in the relationship. Though the Pisces nature is unruffled, it becomes a necessity for him to safeguard and protect the female Aries when she is disturbed or questioned by others on various occasions, which will make her feel confident as well as dependable on him. She will do the same if he is facing a similar situation, which is essential in an alliance like this. In spite of such differences, the possibility of a ram and a fish to live a happy and a successful life as a couple is huge. We know how two different poles of the magnet attract each other. Pisces man and Aries woman level of understanding. The Pisces man and Aries woman compatibility is great between this love duo who will live a wonderful life together. The female Aries adores the fact that the male Pisces comprehends with her and her enthusiasm for various matters. He appreciates her zest for life and the delight with which she lives on, which makes her feel confident and attached to him. This in turn will invoke trust between each other, and she will have faith in his endeavor and aspirations. The Pisces man is usually of the type who will choose peace over arguments, and when he will have a quarrel with the Aries woman, he is likely to surrender and not discuss about things anymore, rather than going on and on with the heated communication. He is least likely to have a fight over disagreements, which is good for her as she likes to win the same, but may make her a bit irritated for the fact that he does not take a stand on his opinions and gives in easily. The planet of Neptune makes the Pisces man indulge in fantasies and dreams, which makes him laid back. He is creative but lacks the devotion that one needs to implement such desires. As far as the physical aspect of the relationship is concerned, there is a fusion of the water and the fire element, making it really exciting. The physical relationship will be as flamingly sensuous as it will cool and pacify, which makes it a wonderful mix of emotions. Both of them will be emotionally attached as far as lovemaking is concerned. They will appreciate each other's qualities of being aggressive and tranquil in bed. Thus, if there are no unwanted planetary movements in their sun signs, they will enjoy a good physical relationship together. Pisces man and Aries woman benefits and challenges. This love couple are a great match for one another, who will support each other in the dark times that may hamper the relationship, proving that their love compatibility will be a successful alliance. But there are always certain things that you do take care while being in a serious and an emotional association with your partner. The resistance that the male Pisces will show when in an argument with the female Aries may sometimes disturb her, as he given in easily without any logical essence to the conversation to continue. Thus, she may not like him running away from the conflicts that may take place between them. Aries Pisces couples have to accept the fact that the other is different in nature. She may get agitated for the fact that he is annoyingly peaceful even when it does not require him to be, and he will be rather surprised to see how one can be so overly aggressive and unwavering most of the times. Once they accept and understand each other, there is no way for such a couple to not have a thrilling and a peaceful experience together. As they are opposites in characteristics, they will complement each other well and provide what the other is lacking in. They can turn out to be each other's strength and support each other that way. If some things are properly taken care of in this association, the compatibility of Pisces man and Aries woman will be a blissful encounter.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.